Good day and welcome for my first tutorial about instrumentation. I am Engineer Hashim Adil. Today, the topic of discussion is instrument calibration. The performance of process instruments such as temperature or pressure sensors normally depend on the accuracy and response time. Accuracy is a qualitative term that describes how well the instrument may measure the process parameter, and response time specifies the speed by which instrument can detect any significant change in the value of process parameter. Accuracy and response time are largely independent, therefore identified through separate procedure. Two terms are important in instrument calibration. These terms are zero and span, as illustrated in the figure. In this figure, the calibration of linear transmitter are approximate with straight line, represented by equation y equal mx plus b. Thank you very much for your attention and interest, and we will see you again during the next lecture.